this recognition. It truly means a lot. I actually want to thank a few people. First, of course, I'd like to thank you guys sa lahat ng sumusuporta, sa lahat ng pagmamahal nyo. Grabe, maraming salamat sa inyo. And of course, to my ABS-CBN family, the bosses, thank you so much. My team, my family, Mom, I know you're here. Happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mom. And of course, Mako, thank you. And lastly, God Almighty, thank you. I hope I continue to inspire other people with the talents you've given me. Thank you.
Ayun, sinabi mo na ata lahat. Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Paano ba?
Love you, Bingo!
I love you too. Maraming salamat. Maraming salamat po, Guillermo Foundation, for this award. It's so nice to be sharing this with you. And supporters natin. Siyempre, to God be the glory always. Salamat po sa sumuporta ng Can't Buy Me Love. We love you guys very much and have an amazing night. Thank you.
Tita tayo tatlo ni Belly.
Tita.
Mother!
Happy Mother's Day.
Ako sa Danila. Happy Mother's Day. Tita Singapore pa.
They just arrived. So I'm going straight there. Ang ganda mo naman.
Ay, ikaw.
Hindi remember mo na sa kapon din ng incident may yung kagabi.
Oo. Lagi ka nandiyan eh.
Lagi sa APR.
Tandaan nyo.
Happy Mother's Day! balloon! Bell balloon! Wala pasok po. Wala! Pasok pero para sa'yo. Happy birthday!